A rainy day in the city.
The rain is very strong today.
Yes, the street is full of water.
My shoes are wet.
You should use an umbrella.
I forgot my umbrella at home.
That is not good on a rainy day.
Do you like rainy weather?
Sometimes I like it. It feels calm.
I like the sound of rain.
The city looks different today.
Yes, the lights look very beautiful in the rain.
Look at the people running.
Everyone wants to stay dry.
The cafe over there looks warm.
Good idea. Let's go inside.
The smell of coffee is nice here.
I feel warm now.
Rainy days are good for coffee.
And good for talking.
Do you often walk in the city?
Yes, I like walking after work.
Even when it rains?
Not always. Today is special.
Why is today special?
Because I met you here.
That is a nice reason.
The rain is getting lighter now.
Maybe we can walk again soon.
Yes, the city is peaceful after rain.
Rainy days are not so bad after all. Talking about your favorite movie.
I watched a movie last night.
Really? What movie did you watch?
It was an action movie.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, they are exciting.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like actors who do strong roles.
I like movies with good stories.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is about friendship.
That sounds nice.
The story is simple but very touching.
Do you watch movies every week?
Not every week, but often.
Do you watch movies at home or in the cinema?
Mostly at home.
Me too. It is comfortable.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
Watching with friends is fun.
Yes, we laugh together.
Do you eat snacks while watching movies?
Of course, popcorn is my favorite.
Mine too.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and family movies.
Comedy movies are very relaxing.
They make people happy.
Maybe we can watch a movie this weekend.
That sounds like a great idea. Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to breakfast service.
Thank you. The restaurant looks nice.
Please sit at this table.
Thank you very much.
Would you like some coffee or tea?
I would like coffee, please.
Sure, I will bring it right away.
The smell of breakfast is wonderful.
Today we have eggs, bread, fruit, and juice.
That sounds perfect.
What would you like to eat?
I would like eggs and toast.
How do you like your eggs?
Scrambled eggs, please.
Of course. Anything else?
Maybe some orange juice.
No problem.
This hotel is very comfortable.
Thank you. We try our best.
Do many guests come for breakfast?
Yes, mornings are busy here.
I can see many people eating.
Breakfast is an important meal.
I agree with you.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
Your breakfast will be ready soon.
I appreciate your service.
Enjoy your meal.
Everything looks delicious.
Asking for directions on the street. Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
I am looking for the city library.
The city library.
Yes, I cannot find it.
It is not very far from here.
That is good to hear.
Walk straight down this street.
Okay, straight ahead.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yes, exactly.
What will I see there?
You will see a big park.
A park.
Yes, the library is next to the park.
That sounds easy.
It is about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you for the help.
You're welcome.
Is the library big?
Yes, it has many books.
I love reading books.
Then you will enjoy that place.
Do you go there often?
Sometimes I go there to read quietly.
I like quiet places.
The library is very peaceful.
Thank you again for the directions.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Making a phone call.
Hello.
Hello, is this Jackson?
Yes, this is Jackson speaking.
This is Lily.
Oh, nice to hear your voice.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am free.
I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you want to meet later today?
That sounds good.
Maybe we can have coffee.
I like that idea.
What time is good for you?
Maybe around 5 in the evening.
5 is perfect.
Where should we meet?
How about the cafe near the park?
I know that cafe.
It is quiet and comfortable.
Yes, and the coffee is very good.
That is true.
Will you come by bus or walk?
I will probably walk.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
I am looking forward to our meeting.
Me too.
See you at 5.
See you later.
Have a great afternoon.